In example 4, we're given a map here, and we're told that a city worker designs an intersection of 3 roads that will be constructed next year. The measure of the angle between any 2 roads must be at least 60 degrees in order for vehicles to turn safely. Does the design shown meet the requirement? So we have to check to see that each of these angles measure at least 60 degrees, which is 60 degrees or more. So I'm going to click over to our camera here. So again, we want to make sure that they're at least 60 degrees. And to be able to do that, I got to pull out some information here and use what I know about angles to fill in some of these missing ones. And I know that whenever I have intersecting lines like this, I have vertical angles, angles that are across the vertex from one another. So if I just went ahead and filled in, this angle already is given to me, so that's a good one. These guys I have to solve for. But the vertical angle from 60 is right across the vertex like this, so that means that this angle here has to be 60 degrees because they're vertical angles. And then I start to notice that if I cover up the rest of it, these 3 angles right here, 9x, 60, and 6x plus 15, all make this straight line, this street right here. And we know straight lines have to total 180 degrees. So I can use that information to solve for x. So I'm going to set up my equation here of 9x plus 60 plus 6x plus 15. So 9x plus 60 plus 6x plus 15 all makes this 180 degree line right here. So they all add up to 180 degrees. So by putting these together, I can combine like terms. 9x plus 6x is 15x. Plus, 60 and 15 are like terms as well, so I'm going to put them together and get plus 75. And all that together equals 180. I remove the 75 from both sides, and I bring down what's left. 15x equals 105. And then to solve for x, I divide by 15. And I figure out that x equals 7. Now, that's not enough information. What I have to do is go through and check the measures of all these angles to make sure that they're all at least 60 degrees so that everybody can turn corners safely. So in this angle here, I have 9 times 7, which is 63 degrees. So that's good. That's at least 60. And then across from that right here is its vertical angle. So this one has to be 63 degrees. So far, these angles here are all good. They fit the requirements. What we have to do is find out what this angle here measures. So I'm going to substitute in my value of x, which is 7. So 6 times 7 plus 15. 6 times 7 is 42. And when I add 42 plus 15, I get 57 degrees, which tells me that this angle here and its vertical angle, which is over here, are only 57 degrees. So the answer is no, the design does not meet the requirement because 2 out of our 6 angles are not at least 60 degrees.